Hi students, I'm going to show you Discovery Ed streaming. It has changed since the last time you've logged in. So once you're logged in, your home screen will look something similar to this. The only concern I have is I'm logged in as an educator, so it may look just slightly different, but not much. You'll see that there's a search bar. This is probably your most significant area that you'll use. You could browse by topic or browse by standard. I just don't see a lot of reasons to do that, so I'm going to start with the search bar. Let's say I am heroin, spell it right. I am looking up research for heroin. So the first thing I can do is I can just flatly put in my search word. And you can see here that it is searching for that. Our internet's just a little clunky today. And once the search options came up, I can filter farther. I can decide if I want just videos. Boards are made by other people in the community and they upload them, so they might have some images, some videos, some text. Images are free to use and share from Discovery Ed as long as you cite them. Just audio, just text. Interactives for some topics, some science topics like cell design, you can build a cell virtually. And then I'm assuming you probably don't want to design a lesson, but maybe in the future. The next thing, oops, I apologize. The next thing I want to show you is you'll want to narrow down by grade level. So if and I can choose more than one grade level. Maybe I'm interested in anything from 6 to 8 and 9 to 12. And now it narrows it down by that. I want to choose my videos. Notice here that it gives us some other ideas for topics that are similar. I could have video segments or full video. I would say segments. A lot of times it's, there might be a 50-minute video, but it's really like 3 minutes of information that you're looking for. One of the things I like to do is I like to have closed captions on, because then I can kind of read the information as it plays. I'm going to deselect that right now though. And then there's some other information you can choose. I'm just going to show you as it goes down. Okay, our video loaded. You can watch the whole segment here. It will also tell you that it's a piece of a larger video. And I can watch the whole video here. I have some more actions I can do. I can do this for the whole video, or I could do this for each individual segment. Share, you won't assign it, you're not an educator. You can add it to a board, that's what the builder is, or you can create a folder and add it to your own content. This gives a brief synopsis of what the video is about to make sure it is something that you're looking for. The other thing I want to show you is this is such a great handy cheat. So over here, if I choose this tab and all I did was select, you'll notice that I have my citation ready to go. I can copy and paste that onto my bibliography. Discovery Ed has a little bit of an Amazon feature to it. So once you find a video clip, you'll see things like this. More, oops, I apologize. Where it shows more like this on the bottom. So if you order a book from Amazon, it says you may be interested in these titles. It does the same things for you. So sometimes that helps me find more resources and more information without going back up to the search bar, because it is automatically selecting those for me if I'm interested to look for it. So that gives you the basics of using Discovery Ed as a research tool. If you are a person that's visual, this is an awesome place to start, because you'll never get in trouble for being on a wrong website, because sometimes YouTube can have videos that aren't vetted. People haven't watched them to make sure they're school appropriate. So it's a great place to find resources without getting into trouble, and you get a cheat with the citations. Have a great day.